Today I'm going to do a video on scrapping this giant keyboard. It's massive. You can see my hand compared to it. So I'm assuming these are like tactical switches. So all I'm going to do, let's have a look inside. Yeah, there'll be the silver plated parts. Oh, camera's down there. That part would be the silver plated parts. So all I've got to do, these keys are just plastic. Just going to spend a couple of minutes removing these keys. You can leave them on and just take the tactical switch off, but you've got to burn the plastic to get the silver plated part. And if you burn it, then you're burning a lot of extra plastic which isn't needed. All the plastic's being recycled, so it's all fine. It's actually a lot lighter, this board now. I can feel it's lost weight just from a bit of plastic. I'm assuming that's the silver part because tactical switches have silver, so I feel these are the same. And considering it's old, it should do. It's actually stuck in quite well, hard to get out. Last row. Nothing either side of these, so just come out nice and quick, this one. All done, that's what it looks like now. Piece of metal. Plastic here we don't want. Let's grab my chisel quick. See if I can kind of pop for it a sec. Stick in this tray. spider come out. Let's get rid of that. We'll just collect all these. I think that's all of them. Actually stuck down quite well. One feed down there, I'll sort out in a sec. I could take them off individually and sort them out, but not waste of time. Set my dog in, keeps barking. That's all of them done. That's all then. Oh, it's all zoomed in. So that's all that. Got loads, quite heavy. So inside these, that would be the silver part. Normally the silver part's just at the bottom, but that's where it clicks when it gets pressed. So that'd be where the silver is. Got quite a few here. Where's my edit pot? So now we've got a pot for ICs. On here obviously we don't have any ICs, but I'll show you. We have LEDs, and inside LEDs is bond wires. Sometimes they're not gold, sometimes they are. I collect them anyway just in case they are. 999 Decent did a video on doing them, and they were decent for gold content, and they get processed the same as ICs. To pull them off, the side cutters. Got a little capacitor here. What looks kind of weird. Nah, it's just aluminium. As I say, sometimes they're tantalum, they're worth good money. And then pretty much we're just left with an empty board now. And a couple of MLCC, no it's not, it's like diodes and resistors and solder pretty much. But that can go in my depot plated boards and I can get solder off in the future. That's the LEDs we got. It's a little pile, not very many. Thanks for watching my video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and yeah, thank you, bye.